I received this Crypto.com VIP package today in the mail and you won't believe what's inside it. Let's take a quick look. After 2 very long years, we finally got this package by Crypto.com. So let's quickly unpack it today. And already, this is a very luxurious experience. Just opening this box and this card just appears. Wow, just wow. And I think below it, you can actually pull it up. Yeah. Let's quickly first read the card. And it reads, "It's my pleasure to welcome you to the Crypto.com private community. We are the early adopters, the ones who see things differently. It's on us to tell the world why cryptocurrency is a breakthrough that matters. It's on us to tell our closest friends it's your basic human right to control your money, data, and identity. Whenever you put the Crypto.com gear on, remember, this is what it stands for." Signed by co-founder Chris. And wow, okay, there we go. First impression, a lot of things already in the box, and it starts all off with these little socks. Wow, okay, these are very cute ones. They definitely show you the lion kind of gear. Well, looks kind of cool. A bit of plastic as well. But okay, the quality already feels good. Just normal socks though. I have to say though, the print though looks very, very cool. Okay, what's next? Okay, we got some stickers. That is always nice to have. Okay, some Crypto.com gear. Nice to put on your laptop or maybe the back of your screen, you know. Really cool. And then I got something else that looks like a... Okay, that's a webcam cover. Yeah, so if you got the webcam on your laptop or something, you can actually put the Crypto.com cover on it. It seems we got you covered. Yeah, okay, I like the pun there. Love it. Okay, what's next? Something like a pouch. Okay, looks good. Maybe you can put your things in there for the toilet. Yeah, nice zipper as well. I love the Crypto.com logo. It's basically everywhere right now. So if I can go on travel, I will definitely bring this with me. Okay, quite some spacey things as well. And oh, I like what they've done with the little things on the left, the hexagons. Really the Crypto.com gear. Okay, what's next? We also got a little hat over here. Oh, lovely for the summer as well. The quality seems quite good. Not too stretchy. Okay, I think you can actually, yeah. Really nicely size it to your own hat. Okay, now we got a box, and this box is, yeah, what's in it? Let's just quickly open it without damaging this little box over here. Okay, so far, only good stuff. And again, we get a little pouch, it seems. Everywhere you get the Crypto.com logo. Boy, well, you paid 40,000 quid at least for this this package, so better be good. Okay, it is kind of heavy, so probably there's something inside. So let's open it as well. Little packaging again. Okay, let's open it. And this is some kind of travel charger. UK, Europe, United States. Okay, so I think you can basically put all kind of different sockets in the wall. Oh, we even got some USB. So over there, so universal charging really. Okay, so far, hat, socks. What is this then? Okay, this looks like a genuine good t-shirt. Lots of Crypto.com logos again. Lots of packaging as well. At least you can recycle it, it seems. Okay, a bit of tough packaging. Yeah, okay. Nice shirt. Ooh, okay. I can't fold it that nicely myself. That's due to the bit of packaging as well. Okay, the nice blue collar Crypto.com. Even the logo inside the shirt. Love it. This is the M size, medium. I will try it on later on, but for now, good shirt, quality, feels good. Seems definitely wearable, even the summer. And then I think that's the last thing in the box. But this feels kind of heavy. And I think I've seen this earlier in different videos as well. Other people unpacking it. And this is, I think, the jacket. And from what I've heard from Chris by the Crypto.com, the CEO actually, this is actually quite good quality, like Jack Wolfskin-like. So I'm curious to try it on myself. It should be rainproof, waterproof. And already just the feeling of the materials, they feel really good. Again, M size, so you have to decide what kind of size you want if you order the package. So you got small, medium, XL, I think even XXL. But again, it's really good materials. You even got this little hoodie over here, hard to see on the camera, but okay. Crypto.com logo again everywhere, but really this one shines. The black color as well looks really cool. Let's open it up. I like the blue accents as well. And again, you do see the blue accents on the inside. And again, official merchandise by Crypto.com. Love it. I guess they hand out the same stuff when you go to the Formula 1 paddocks, but okay. Zippers again. Oh, and do you see that? The same as in the little bag, the little travel bag. The hexagons, the Crypto.com hexagons on the jacket. Wow, what a great fabric again. I have to try this out really outside when it's pouring and it's raining. Maybe even have a little swim, but this looks quite good. Okay, that's it. No hidden bottom, I think. So yeah, well, let's give me a few seconds and we'll try them on. Okay, that is quite the change, honestly. But wow, okay, the quality definitely is A+. Looking right now, I've got the medium-sized jacket, and it just feels really great. It has even this like inner fabric inside, so that is definitely great, as well as these little things to actually adjust it. For me personally, it's a bit too big, so I have to mention though, right now it is summer. I think this jacket is better, I think, for the autumn, so you have to wear like a sweater below. Right now, I'm just wearing this beautiful shirt, of course, by Crypto.com, so that might be a bit different than you would normally wear. But honestly, as well, mentioning the blue color is, of course, I think navy bluish, but looks great, and I think it also has a great fit. Better fit than the jacket so far. As well, you see the blue. Blue looks great, and I think, yeah, definitely as well, the fabric is waterproof, I guess. That's my first guess. Okay, so the great quality overall, of course. Well, we do have the hat. Even there, you have these little hexagons. I love what they put into it. Little details as well on the back of the hat. I don't know if I showed it already. Little logo, just the small things that matter to me. That is really what you want as a customer that paid, well, near to 40 grand for it. But honestly, yeah, looks good. I'm happy. Anyways, guys, if you're interested, if you got the box yourself, please let me know in the comments down below as well. But that's me. I'm the Coin Baron, and I hope to see you back with my suspenders on in the next video. Till then.